Brendan?
Yeah.
He has an ugly picture. I'm not looking. You're going to take my picture. Nope, I'm not doing it.
I don't have the camera on.
Please.
I have the video on.
Please.
What?
Will you?
I can't go out with you.
Yes.
No, I already explained this. I already have a boyfriend.
Yes or no?
No.
Fat boy loose.
I already told you why.
Please.
I can't.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. I can't. If you don't stop videotaping me, your face is going to be on the pavement.
Please.
Not pavement.
Please.
Please, next time I ride this bus, you, please, are dead. What? I can't. Please. I can't. Please. I can't.
Please.
I can't.
Please.
I can't. Please. I can't.
Can I take a picture?
Hey, you want to see him speak? You want to see Dakota speak? Watch him. Look. Look at Dakota.